You open your phone for one message. 30 minutes later, you're still scrolling. Then you try to study and 5 minutes feels painfully long. You blame yourself for having a short attention span. But what if your attention span isn't broken? What if you've simply trained it to expect something new every few seconds? Every swipe gives your brain a tiny surprise. New video, new face, new sound, new information. Your brain doesn't know what comes next, so it keeps checking. Then you sit down with a textbook, nothing changes, no surprise, no instant reward, just one difficult paragraph. Suddenly, studying feels boring. That isn't random. Your brain has learned to compare normal life with constant stimulation. And the cost goes far beyond studying. Conversations feel slower, reading feels harder, simple tasks feel uncomfortable. Even when you're doing nothing, your mind starts searching for something. Here's where most advice gets it wrong. They tell you to focus harder, but you can't out-discipline an environment designed to steal your attention. So don't start by forcing yourself to study for 3 hours. Start by changing what your brain experiences. For the next 20 minutes, put your phone somewhere you cannot reach it. Not face down, not beside you. Far enough away that grabbing it requires effort. Then do one task. And when those 20 minutes become normal, increase them. But there's a second step almost nobody talks about. You need to practice being bored. Read without music. Walk without your phone. Eat without watching something. Let a few quiet minutes pass without filing them. At first, your brain will ask for stimulation. Don't immediately give it what it wants. You're teaching it something important. Boredom isn't a problem that needs fixing. And there's one final change that makes this much easier. Stop relying on self-control. Change the environment instead. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Remove distracting apps from your home screen. Log out of the apps you constantly check. Make distraction harder to reach. Make focus easier to start. Because your environment is making hundreds of decisions for you. Here's the deeper truth. You don't have a terrible attention span. You have a practiced attention pattern. And practice patterns can change. So tonight, give yourself 20 minutes. One task, one screen. No switching. Do it again tomorrow. Because every time you refuse to give your attention away, you take a little more of it back.